especially in the bidding process? of
Hindi ko
this
po,
list?
hindi ko alam yung detalye, no? Pero isang alang po ang alam ko na talagang sisimulan na yung bridge na nagko-connect sa Iloilo sa Guimaras, no? The people are excited about that. And they're also talking about a bridge that possibly would connect Cebu with other outlying islands, no? But these are major infrastructure projects that committed by the president, and some of it already comprise build. But as to the details, I'm sorry, I'm not able to address your specific concerns on which of these projects are already included in the 2018 budget.
Okay. Maraming excited dito, sir. Kasi if you can build the Cordoba-Cebu Hitapi-Bohol Bridge, even if signal number 1 on typhoon, there will be no more passengers stranded. Because at present, if the